This is Steve DeMasi, and welcome to Uncharted DIY. I can't think of a power tool that has more uses than a rotary tool, often referred to by the brand name Dremel. These handy tools are used for cutting, sanding, carving, jewelry making, etching, cleaning and polishing, and grinding and sharpening, just to name a few of the many jobs it's capable of. One add-on I have found to be essential is the flex shaft, and that's what this segment is all about. Dremel tools are generally pretty light, and the cordless options are getting better every day. But even the smaller tools are a bit bulky for hand-holding while doing detailed precision work. Hand-holding these tools can become an issue if you have small hands, your strength or dexterity is compromised, or you work with these tools for extended periods of time. Using this flexible shaft attachment makes it so much easier for really fine movements. It's much easier to control and also decreases vibration for increased accuracy. These screw on and off the end of the tool as needed. It works best to have these suspended over the work area, and I have free PDF plans on my website showing how to build a super strong, versatile hanger stand like this one. These tools use speed rather than torque to do the work, so it's best if the flex shaft isn't bent too much. The speeds ranging from 3,000 to around 30,000 RPM can create a lot of friction and heat. You could put the tool on the bench while using the flex shaft, but it'll want to roll around. A simple fix is a hanger stand that puts the tool above the work area. I have links to ones I'd recommend if you want to purchase a pre-made one, but I made my own. For me, the manufactured stands don't extend high enough and the swing arms are really short. Most only adjust to 42 inches high. This one extends to 52 inches, providing extra clearance for taller projects. Most prefabs only measure 3 to 10 inches for the swing arm, but this one extends 28 inches, covering a much larger portion of your work area. The strong clamp attaches to almost any work surface, such as workbenches, tables, desks, countertops, allowing you to work just about anywhere, and it collapses for easy carrying. For about $25 and a half hour and really basic tools, you too can build this sturdy, great-looking stand. You can download free PDF plans on my website with a visual parts list and step-by-step photos to make this a fun and easy DIY project. In this video, I'm using a Wen branded tool. This one came in a kit with the flex shaft and many attachments. This is a great value for somebody that doesn't use this for long periods or for everyday use. Some advantages of spending more money on higher-end tools include more power, more features, cordless options with decent runtime, cooler running motors, and they're longer lasting. Finally, using a foot control to start and stop the tool hands-free makes them easier and more convenient to use. The one I recommend allows you to vary the speed with foot pressure, much like a sewing machine does. This is a tool that will amaze you in how many creative uses you'll find for it. This is Steve, and thanks for watching Uncharted DIY. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have questions, tips or tricks of your own, or other tools you didn't know you needed, please leave them here in the comments or on the article page at UnchartedDIY.com.